Hello guys, today we got a new clock. It's supposed to be, it's a rare clock I think, because look at my mouth. That's my mouth, and this is my new clock. I'll let you see that later on the clock. I'll let you see it to the mechanism, so the movement. It's a pretty cool clock. I found it on King's Day. And look, the Mantel's a bit loosey. For this, I didn't even fix something, only just the charm rods and all, and the hammers, and the pendulum. It doesn't have a pendulum, it doesn't have a key, but I lined it up because it doesn't have a key. I used my mouth clock key, because I have two of them, and then one I'm using for this one. Okay, here we go. It has one of the tones are bands because it's in case if it's normal. There it goes. There goes again. I'm gonna tell you something, I'm gonna fix the pendulum, it's going too fast. So there it goes. Oh my god, this thing goes strong. Oh my god. It's so hurting it looks like. But this thing is strong to move. It's so stiff hands. There we go. Okay, here's the movement. As you can see, I used another pendulum because it was missing. Yeah, that works fine with this clock. I need to make white for this thing. I've just shown if it's fixed. And there's one more charm rod here that's missing. It's because, the charm rod was hitting the case too hard, and it broke off again. So that's why that thing there's banned, and the other one's breaking off. So that sounds so weird. I mean, this is the lowest tone, and that sounds a bit, because it's banned, or it hits the case. We're gonna fix that later. Not everything is finished on this clock. There's a silence button, like there. There's a silence. Silence. See? There it goes. Some silence now. There it goes. this is the hour thing, so that's you can hear this thing doesn't want to stop. Yeah, I'm gonna block that thing later. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, and yes, that thing's cracked. And hope you liked the video. Bye!